Looks pretty good to me. All right, guys. Today I want to show you the Stabila aluminum box beam level set, model number 37816. This comes with one 16-inch level and one 48-inch level. This is the 16-inch level. You'll see that it is a Type 196, and this is part of the Spirit Level series from Stabila. This is model number 37416. The 16-inch level comes with one plumb vial and one level vial. It has a rubber shock-absorbing end cap, which is removable with these buttons. It has a rubber handhold, again, another shock-absorbing end cap. It has machined faces on both sides so that it's perfectly flat. The 16-inch comes in at just under 16 ounces. On my scale, it was 15 3/4 ounces. This is the 48-inch level, also a Type 196, model number 37448. It also has the rubber shock-absorbing end caps. It has two plumb vials, one on each end. It has two handles. It has one level vial. And here's the other plumb vial. And then also another shock-absorbing end cap, also removable. Both sides are machined to be perfect. Nice and flat. And this level comes in at 2 pounds, 10.5 ounces. So for the strength and stability of this level, that is a pretty lightweight. Now I've taken out one of the end caps so you can see the construction. It's hollow on the inside to reduce weight, but it's a pretty solid gauge, and it's going to withstand any twisting or flexing. That's the end of the vial. Now you're probably saying to yourself, these are a little pricey for the average homeowner, and you're right, but some people like to collect tools. Some people like to get the best deal on tools. Some people want to go and find a quality value tool, and others want to buy the best that there is. If you want the best levels, then you're going to want to go with Stabila. I first saw these being used on this old house. I think Tom Silva was using them, and I like tools. I don't always get to use them for anything, but I sure like to buy them. And as soon as I saw him using these, I did some research, and I found this set on Amazon, and I added it to my Christmas list that year. It was about 10 years ago, I think. And I got them, and when I've needed them, they're great. I installed a door in my shop, and I built the door frame myself, and having this 48-inch level came in very handy. And the 16-inch level was great for installing the closet shelves in my bedroom. They also advertise these being great for stairs and installing cabinets. They have a wide variety of sizes, but I liked this set for its versatility. I have one long level for bigger projects, like a door frame, and then one small level for everything else. One of the nicest features of these levels is that it has a top read level bubble. I don't know how many times I've attempted to find if something was level or not, but I couldn't see the bubble from the angle I was at. And I either had to get down on my hands and knees to turn to the side and try to see the bubble, or I had to hold it at an awkward angle to be able to see the bubble. But with the top read bubble being visible from any angle, pretty much, it makes it much easier to use. Another great aspect for any Stabila product is that they stand behind their products. These levels come with a guarantee. It says right on the Stabila website that Stabila guarantees vials will not fog, leak, or lose their stated accuracy for the lifetime of the level. If any of these occur due to manufacturer defect, Stabila will replace the level without charge. How many companies do you know that stand behind their products that well? Not very many. Each of these levels has its accuracy stamped on it. This one shows 0.029 degrees, which is the equivalent of 1/32 of an inch, plus or minus, over a 72-inch span. If you need something more accurate than that, you're probably building a spaceship. I also splurged on this nice Stabila carrying bag that is designed specifically for the 48-inch levels and smaller. This carrying case will hold 5 of their levels. It has a 48-inch pocket down the center that is got a nice soft liner, and it's zipper closed. On the back, it has room for a torpedo level of theirs. It has, this compartment can hold a 36-inch level. On the front, it's got a 24-inch level pocket, and then here is a 16-inch level pocket. All of the pockets besides the 48-inch are closed with Velcro, and the levels just slide right in there. Close it up, and now you can protect your investment because these levels aren't cheap, but they'll last you a lifetime if you take care of them. Something like this is a no-brainer, especially if you are a contractor or somebody who is taking these on the road. You don't just want to throw these expensive precision tools into your work van. You want to have something that can protect them and something that will keep them all together. This one has a nice carrying handle. You can sling it over your shoulder or just carry it here like a suitcase. And then it has these nice hooks that you can install it in your van or on a wall in your shop or in your garage or wherever you store your tools. You know, just put 2 hooks at that distance and hang it up. Keep them out of harm's way. Seems like a no-brainer if you're going to spend the money on the levels. Just wanted to see how level my door jamb still is 5 years later on the door I installed in my shop. Looks pretty good to me. How'd I do hanging the cabinets in my shop? Not great. At least they're plumb front to back. So guys, if you're in the market for some high quality levels, I definitely would recommend picking up one or both of these. You don't have to buy the set if you only need a smaller one or a bigger one or somewhere in between. So I'll leave a link down in the description for the set as I received it. I'll also leave links for the individual levels for these 2 sizes. And then I'll leave a link for the carrying case if you're interested. If you liked the video, please don't forget to hit the thumbs up and subscribe if you would like to see more content like this. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comments. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. I hope this helped you make a decision. Thanks for watching.